Help! I need an efficient way to make a quiz for my students. Have you ever felt this way? Or have you ever been frustrated with grading quizzes on paper? Have you ever imagined that there's a free tool online that will make grading information at the tip of your fingertips very quick? Well, I'm Alyssa Fayback, and I'm going to show you how to make a quick quiz on Google Forms. So first of all, we're going to open up Google. Go to our Google Drive, then we're going to click New and scroll down to Google Forms. Once we've got there, we're almost halfway there. We're going to click Untitled Form and make it 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication because this is what my students are learning. We're going to say quiz. So once you click Untitled Form, it'll pop up right there. Form a description. This is an option. You don't have to do it, or you could. I'm just going to say, please take this quiz and find your grades in Google Classroom. Once I've done this, I'm going to make a question. So right away we see that we have options for short answer, paragraphs, multiple choice, check boxes, linear scale. I'm going to make it a checkbox, and I'm going to say true or false. 24 times 44 is 1056. And I'm going to say true or false. Now, the key here is to make it required. That's how we're going to ensure that this is a quiz for the students. So right now, we can also add another question if we wanted to. With Google Forms, you can add as many questions as you want with all of these options that I just showed you. You can also even add images. You can add multiplication. And right here, just double click it and there it is on your as an option for an answer on your quiz. So that's another thing you could do too with Google Forms to make a quiz. So right here, the way and the key to make it a quiz is we're going to go right here to settings and click quizzes. Once we go there, we say make a quiz. Now, the key again is to click immediately after each submission, release the grade. This will mean that your students are able to access their grade right away in Google Classroom. So right here it says respondent can see missed questions, correct answers, and point values. So you're going to click Save. Now, see how this says Answer Key? You can click on that and you can even add how many points you want to make this. So we can say 10. So once we've done that, we can click That is true because sure enough, 24 times 44 is 1056. So we're going to click Done. Once we've done that, we can go ahead and click Preview just to get an idea of what this quiz will look like for the students. Once we've done that, it says Required, and that means there's a little asterisk requiring that the students take this. We'll go ahead and click True, and we'll admit this one for now. Submit, and your response has been recorded. It is that easy, and then you will get the responses in Google Classroom. So now I want to look back and say, okay, that is how you make a quiz on Google Classrooms. It's an efficient online tool that is easy access to creating multiple types of questions. It's effortless. You can track students' progress with the quiz, see who's responded, see what grades they get, and so can they. It is that simple. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you learned a little bit more about how to access Google Forms and how to make an effective quiz for your students. This Google Slides was by me, Alyssa Fayback, and this video recording was made possible by Screencast. Thank you.